And then when you say hello to the people at home, we can go really loud, okay?
Yeah, really loud, yeah.
Okay, so people at home of the Midlands, thank you very much for joining us at ITV Central. We are here, not yet guys, not yet. Don't worry. We are here for the Leicester Lights Switch On, live in Leicester. I want to introduce you at home to some people I've met in the last few minutes, really. We've become very close friends. The 20,000 people in Leicester, say hello. That is amazing, people of Leicester. You are wonderful, wonderful people. Now, I want to introduce you to some of the people on stage tonight. First of all, I'm going to chat to Sam Bailey. Sam Bailey, everybody. A huge hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And you're going to be singing us out at the end of the programme, is that right?
I am going to be singing a lovely song where everyone can just snuggle up and sing it together.
We're all going to have a bit of a sing-song.
Yes.
So I'm going to switch my microphone off.
No.
Because I'm out of tune.
No,
now, we need to explain a little bit as to why you are dressed like that. When I think you can help us with that, sir. Introduce yourself.
Sir? What do you mean, sir?
I'm terribly sorry.
I'll have you know, I am a lady.
I'm in real trouble now. Okay, tell us why you're dressed in this way and what you're performing in.
Well, I am Dame Nanny McSmee, and I am from the De Montfort Hall in Peter Pan this Christmas, starring Kevin Kennedy, Kev Orkian, Kat Sandian, and somebody called Sam Bailey.
Sam Bailey.
Yay!
The Sam Bailey. I'm going to come down the line, excuse me for walking in front of you. Father Christmas, everybody is here. It's Father Christmas. It's taking a little bit of time out. Say hello, sir. Hello and Merry Christmas, Leicester! Merry Christmas, Leicester. Now, are you all ready to turn on these Christmas lights? Yes? This is going to be immense. We're going to get the Lord Mayor of Leicester to do the honours for us very shortly. Okay? In about a minute's time, we are going to turn on these lights and it is going to be amazing. So Sam, let's come back and talk to you again. Okay, just tell us a little bit about what you're up to at the moment.
Okay, so basically I am doing my third album very slowly. I've been out to Nashville and been recording in Nashville for my third album, and I've just done a gig with Michael Bolton, so hopefully I'll be doing some stuff with him next year. The Michael Bolton, as in the power grab.
Those are some power ballads going to be rocking out to that album, isn't it?
Hopefully, yeah. So hopefully working with him, and yeah, next year I'm in a musical called Vampires Rock, and yeah, loads of stuff, loads of little surprises. Very happy next year.
Superb. Right, I am waiting for a nod that we can press this button. Okay, are we ready for a countdown, everybody? I'm waiting for a nod to say we are.
What's that?
Yes, over there. Let's crack on with this. Okay, we're going to try a countdown. Are you all with me from 10? Okay, are you ready to turn these lights on? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Christmas has officially started. 33 days until Christmas, and the lights in Leicester are on and the snow is falling. 60,000 Christmas lamps lit here tonight, and it looks absolutely amazing. Can we get another Merry Christmas from all the wonderful people in Leicester? Merry Christmas, Leicester! Absolutely fantastic. The atmosphere